Hey guys, Joe from Eastwood, and in this video we're going to be taking a closer look at the bead roller stand. Now this stand is going to be a great option for the 19-inch bead roller owner that's tired of mounting their bead roller in the vise and they're looking to make their bead roller a permanent fixture as well as get die storage and functionality. Alright, so what do we have here? Well, once you get your bead roller, you're going to need a place to put it. You could throw this into the vise, but that certainly doesn't look that clean. That's fine if you don't have too much space in the shop or if you're bead rolling every now and again, but the best option if you're looking to make your bead roller a permanent fixture is the bead roller stand. The stand is made from heavy-duty 2-inch by 2-inch by 1/8 inch wall square steel tubing in an H-frame construction with a 45-degree support from the base to the main upright support. The whole stand is finished in a layer of powder coat, keeping the steel protected and looking good for years to come. It's designed to be a perfect fit for our 19-inch bead roller, and it puts the mandrels a little less than 3.5 feet off the ground. It weighs 37 pounds in total, so it's not going to shift around when you're bead rolling. This bead roller stand also features a rack right on both sides of the main support. It has 5 fingers on each side, so no matter what, you'll have your most 10 used dies right within reach, ready to be changed out quickly and easily. Now, what really differentiates this stand is that it has a 360-degree swivel head. Your bench vise can probably swivel too, but your bench is going to get in your way, right? So the swivel aspect of the stand allows you to attack your workpiece from any angle. You can loosen the 4 bolts at the swivel with a 16mm socket and rotate this to the most comfortable position for you to work in. And as a good rule of thumb, if you're comfortable working, rather than being contorted and twisted in a weird way, the work is going to turn out better as well. This stand is going to bolt right together. All the hardware you need comes right in the kit, and there's some pre-threaded holes right on the side of the 19-inch bead roller for you to mount right up to. This should take you no longer than 15 minutes to half an hour to get this thing up and running. The bead roller stand also includes a 1-year warranty from Eastwood. Now, one thing to note is this stand is going to be specific for the 19-inch bead roller that you see right here. This thing already has the holes already drilled and threaded, ready to go for this bead roller stand. If you do have some of our other bead rollers, I'm not going to say this isn't going to work for you, but it does require a little bit of extra work to get the two mounted together. All right, guys, that is going to do it. If you're looking for a stand that's rugged, supportive, has some storage, and is easy to work with, this is going to be a great fit for your 19-inch bead roller. If you're looking for even more accessories to kit out your bead roller, I have an ultimate bead roller setup guide video for the 19-inch, and I also have an accessories guide posted for all the bead roller accessories that we offer at Eastwood. Check the description below for links to both of those videos and all the products you saw in this video today. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm Joe. Make sure you keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.